There are between 200 and 400 billion stars in the Milky Way, of which the sun is just one. And the Milky Way is just one of millions, if not billions, of other galaxies. Some galaxies are larger than our Milky Way, many of them are smaller. But if you take it as an average, you have 400 billion stars times how many millions of galaxies. That's how many stars you have in the universe. Could you possibly say that the only life in the universe is here on Earth? I don't think you can possibly say that. How important mankind thinks they are and how really insignificant in the grand scheme of the universe we are, our planet is. It sort of puts in the scale, it makes you think how absolutely idiotic the human situation is at times. You know, wars and violence and all this sort of stuff. And that's one thing I find very, very interesting about astronomy. It's from a philosophical point of view, it's very peaceful. You have problems in your life, I have problems in my life. You know, how do you deal with those problems? Some deal with them, you know, in a positive manner, others deal with them with a negative manner, drinking, drugs, you know, very self-destructive behavior. I like to go out and look at the sky. You know, it sounds silly, doesn't it? But I go out and look at the sky. I try to, you know, in my backyard, pretty quiet, and I'll just look up. I'll probably have a pair of binoculars with me, maybe a telescope, but more often than not just binoculars. And I'll just kind of look up, and I'll look at the stars, and I'll just sort of consider what I'm looking at in light of everything that I know. It's better than a psychiatrist's couch, I'll tell you right now, and a whole lot cheaper. I find it very, you know, like I say, it's very cleansing, you know, and I recommend that. You know, that's one reason why I love astronomy so much, is you immerse yourself in the universe, and you realize just how really insignificant your problems are and your situation is compared to the overall universe.